guys, shall we begin? I know you guys are just as excited as me because I know these gloves look mad official. Oh, that's fire. What we got? Came with fingers. Some souvenir fingers. That's dope. That's dope. We got a few gifts. Came with a t-shirt. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, guys. Now we're gonna get the hands out. Y'all ready for the hands? Are y'all ready for the hands? Slimy and dirty. Just gonna put it on real quick. Yo, this is the left hand I got on right now. It's good movement. Really good movement. It look good though. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. It's pretty good. What y'all think? What y'all think? See the details. Get the details. It feels good. We got one more to go. One more to go. So this is this hand. It's the shotgun hand. So now we're gonna see how doing it. Okay, guys, and now we got the right hand. So this is the right hand. But you know, I can't hold the phone with both, so I'm gonna show you guys this one. You want to see the details. This is the details. You can see the dirt. See the flesh. The rip in the flesh. Fingers. I might have to wear this to a con. I don't know which con, but definitely that's the hand. It's the right hand now. It looks mad real though, not even gonna lie. It looks mad real. It feels good. It feel pretty good. See the fingernails. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys be the first to see my posts.